Hey there everyone, my name is Michelle with Everfan. So glad you could join us. Today we're going to be going over how to make your own Mardi Gras mask. Now get your supplies together and meet me over in headquarters. I can't wait to get crafting. Welcome back to headquarters, guys. So today you're going to need an assortment of feathers and rhinestones, a little bit of fabric, scissors, hot glue, and a mask. The mask we're going to use today you can order on our website at www.everfan.com or feel free to download the template below. From everyone here at Everfan, we hope you have a super day. We can't wait to see you again here at headquarters.